I'm Chris Rapp, President of Triple Crown Construction.
Hello, I'm Bruce Walters. I'm a project superintendent for Triple Crown Construction, working in hotel renovations.
Hi, my name is Brian Campbell. I'm a project superintendent with Triple Crown Construction.
Hello, my name is David Krause. I'm one of the project managers for Triple Crown.
I expect to see several major changes over the next year in the construction industry. Number one, cleaner and safer job sites from the new protocols being put in place, such as health assessment screening and increased sanitation. Number two, a greater reliance on technology. For example, fewer in-person and more virtual meetings. And number three, longer schedules, which will be caused by the lost productivity of physical distancing. Ultimately, all of these changes mentioned will likely lead to increased costs.
Due to the coronavirus epidemic, we are having a lot of new protocols and safety measures that we have to implement to make sure that the job site is secure and safe. We are working with numerous subcontractors on any given day, so that makes our job even that much more difficult. We will be having to implement new site cleanup measurements. We have to monitor all the employees and subcontractors on a daily basis. This will add tremendous time and energy to our already tight schedules, but it's something that we have to do, and we have to remain diligent about it in today's world. It's changed completely.
Re-educating the guests as far as the expectations that they will have of the property. Things such as open buffets, I think, will become more of a full service with an attendant present to provide that better service.
I expect daily temperature readings when coming to work, questions about health, coughing, sneezing, etc. Discussions about spreading of germs, hand washing, number of wash stations, cleaning of tools, limiting how they are shared, the number of people in a workspace, the number of people in the lunch area together, questions about symptoms coming from home. Traveling together will end. There go the HOV lanes. And strong enforcement with doctor release notes and anything relative to doctors and health. Thank you.